If you're thinking about installing a home battery for your solar system, there's a good chance you've come across the brand SolaX. They're one of the more affordable battery options in Australia, but the big question homeowners usually ask is, are they a good battery? Today I'm standing next to a 45 kilowatt hour SolaX battery system connected to a 10 kilowatt SolaX inverter. In this video I'll walk through who SolaX are, how batteries work, what they cost and what the pros and cons are so you can decide if it's right for your home. And just before we start, a quick note, Solar Choice isn't affiliated with SolaX or any other battery manufacturer. We review all batteries in the market using the same independent scoring system so Australian homeowners can make a fair comparison. First, a little bit about SolaX. SolaX Power was founded in 2007 in Hangzhou, China. The company originally became well known for making its solar inverters. An inverter is a device that connects the electricity from your solar panels into the type of electricity that your home can use. Over time, the company expanded into home batteries, launching their first one in 2018. Today, SolaX says it has more than 2,000 employees worldwide. They have an Australian office based in South Dandenong in Victoria and do all of their tech support out of there. Now let's talk about the battery system itself. The model beside me here is part of SolaX's T-BAT HS series, which is built using stackable battery modules. Each module stores about 5.1 kilowatt hours of electricity, although 4.6 hours of that is usable, which reflects a depth of discharge of 90%, which is pretty typical in the industry, although you do see some batteries getting up to 100%. The nice thing about this modular design is that you can stack multiple batteries together. This is a full stack of 45 kilowatt hours, which is very large for a residential system, but you can add as many units as you want. A couple of technical details that it's worth mentioning. This battery has an IP66 rating, which basically means it's well protected from dust and rain and is very suitable for an outdoors installation like this in a carport. Another advantage is that these batteries are high voltage systems, which means they can work efficiently with modern hybrid inverters. In practical terms, that means the battery can charge and discharge energy quickly when your home needs it. Next, let's talk about price. Based on installation data from Solar Choice's network of installers, SolaX batteries typically cost around $900 per usable kilowatt hour that's installed. So, for example, a typical stack of 4 of these battery modules with 18.4 kilowatt hours in usable capacity might cost you about $16,500 before any rebates applied. If installed under the federal battery rebate, then in the back half of 2026, that would chip in around $4,200. Overall, that places SolaX towards the lower end of battery pricing in Australia, which is one of the reasons they're quite popular. In terms of the warranty SolaX offers, there's a 10-year product warranty for the battery, which is pretty standard across the industry. They also offer a guarantee that after that 10 years, the battery will still retain 70% of its original capacity. In other words, after a decade, the battery still should store most of the energy that it's doing today on year 1. The warranty also includes a minimum energy throughput, and that's the minimum amount that you can discharge out of this battery through its 10-year lifetime. For the T-BAT HS models from SolaX, that works out to be roughly about 1.3 full charge and discharge cycles per day over that 10 years. And that actually ranks pretty well against most of the other batteries on the market. So that is one advantage of this battery system. Some things to note about the warranty policy: the battery must be installed by a SolaX approved installer and the system must be registered online. So you must have a Wi-Fi connection that the battery can connect to. If you plan to expand the battery system at a later date, you'll need to do that within the first year of installation. Adding new modules after that may require additional checks to make sure the batteries can operate together. And the degradation of the older battery modules may affect the new ones you're putting in. Overall, this works out to be a pretty solid warranty offer for grid-connected customers. So what's our overall verdict for SolaX? This T-BAT HS series is a well-priced and flexible home battery system that integrates neatly with these SolaX hybrid inverters. It doesn't necessarily lead the market in terms of every technical feature, but it offers good value and solid customer feedback. and it makes it a practical option for many households. If you're considering installing a solar battery, the most important step is to compare quotes from multiple installers. At Solar Choice, we run an independent quote comparison platform where homeowners can compare proposals from pre-vetted installers all across Australia. Use the link below or head to our website to compare solar and battery quotes online and make sure you're getting the right system at a competitive price. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more of our independent reviews, then make sure you subscribe to our Solar Choice channel.